I got her.
See her crawl. Oh, wow.
See her crawl?
She's so cute.
She's going the other way. She's going on my finger.
Tell me about her.
She's a little ladybug. I'm trying to get her to get in that on my finger.
Okay. You being real careful?
Being really careful.
You love her?
She's gonna climb up my sleeve. She's gonna climb up my sleeve. I do love her.
You do love her?
I made her happy.
You did? Oh, how?
Because she's a ladybug.
She's your friend? You guys be big buddies?
When she grows bigger, she can help me work.
She can?
And bills and she can saw with me, and then hammer.
Okay.
That'd be a good idea.
Yeah.
Where's
I'd like to see that ladybug do that. Where'd she go?
Oh, she's right there. I'll get her to again. Drop in my hand.
Are you going to keep up with her good?
Really nice.
Okay.
She's really.
You'll be real careful with her, won't you?